All right, guys, we are doing a mini scouting here. I'm in the New Orleans Convention Center, one of the largest convention centers in America. This is just one hall. Lots of breakout rooms, theaters. We're gonna take about 3-4 of these spaces right here for the trade show expo floor. What do you think, John?
No, it's very finished out. I mean, I haven't seen a space this big all finished out.
Yeah, this could be expo floor or conference.
Yeah, could be.
That
both.
expo floor's got concrete over there.
Yeah, it's the largest. This is the largest contiguous convention center in America. So it's
huge.
Yeah, it's big.
All right, John's getting close to the close here.
No, you know what would just be fun, Anthony, is to line this with Mardi, because it's in the middle of Mardi Gras. Is to line this with Mardi Gras floats, and the things about Mardi Gras floats, you can get on them, and you can overlook things. It's pretty cool.
We got Mardi Gras going on the week after, right? Or that
No,
weekend?
it's going on
that same weekend.
It starts
like 2
then.
weeks before the actual
So
Mardi
during
Gras
the convention will be the start of Mardi Gras.
Mm-hmm.
Is essentially what happens.
So we'll be able to kick off, SVG can kick off Mardi Gras.
All right, guys. Getting close to the final decision here.